going on, guys? Doing a little bit of a mic test with the new DJI Mini 2S. We're going to be flying a little bit of FPV tiny whooping at the park today. Going to be using the Mobula 8. It's going to be some nice little analog DVR footage with Handcam today. So we are going to be using the Skyzone 020s and the Radiomaster Pocket today. And it is an amazing day down at the park. Just gonna get set up here for you guys and yeah, get ready to fly. I'm just gonna start off here today with a 450 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. Wait, DVR rolling. Mobula 8, 85mm. Gonna be doing a little bit of cruising and some freestyle today. Might practice some power loops and that sort of. Oh, that was horrible. I think it's so nice and. Like, oh, awesome. Much of these slower rides than I'm used to. Oh, I don't know what I hit there, but must have been some sort of climb. Oh, that little fella. Oh, Jesus. That little turtle mode. I get some nice right hand and left hand turns in. Try to keep it balanced. We do seem to be very left hand turn heavy, so I'm trying to correct that as much as I can. Always seem to overshoot and find it a lot harder to control the throttle. So that's kind of just what I've been practicing lately. And just trying out different rate profiles. Plan on making a future video, maybe even on the simulator, going through what I've been trying out and why. So much less controlled on the right hand turns. Can't go as fast, can't go as tight. Covered that nicely. Oof. Little long pieces of grass are doing more damage than I thought on the 85mm. Battery's probably about done. Nice nice little 4-ish minute flight time there. I might just go straight into running a 550. Go same rate profile. See how we go.
Select cost.
Trying to get these turns down. Sort of flowers there. Not get stuck at a tree, eh? Oh, trying out a wee bit of freestyle maneuvers. Try to hit some gaps here, eh? Not timing these rolls very nicely, are we? Jesus, almost straight into myself. Gonna have a fucking ice cream van. Wonder if it picks up on the mic. Battery sag now, Jesus. Probably pushed it a little bit too long, but